here we go. MMTs. Once again, it was all about shorting that top right there. We had that down move. It came. It bounced up. It closed below half of that bar. Bam, bam, right through them teenies. Each one is 24 pennies straight down. Now we're long. So everybody got net short. This is a all points bulletin going into the New York lunch hour. And the thing about it is we got net long spread. So far, I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 teenies off that bottom. That's about $1.80 and some change or so. 24 pennies a teeny. And I'm bouncing right there in that SMF market maker application. And the brain on this one here, the brain needs to go back above 40 on Apple. Okay? And it's working its way back up. It's breaking out to $284, and we're still long. And I'm breaking up above half bars. I put in the bottom. There's that buy action. Once again, it's all about the SMF, MMTs, live in action, shorting, going long, having a good time, doing everything, buying the bull, shorting the bull, buying the bear, shorting the bear at times and going long the bull at times. I've got a nice breakout in progress with all SMF MMTs, and I'm coming up here to half of that bar. Let's pull up and see what's under that hood. Oh boy, let's see what's under the hood of that SMF market maker application. By the way, folks, all MMTs know you got to go north of that 35. Otherwise, we may have to sell into it. We got to get north of that 35. And that trend ratio is going in our way right there. That will fuel that up through those teenies. If I run back north of 40, I know I'm going. And as long as I can keep stair-stepping half of my SMF Pro Trader bar, that it's 284. Oh, boy, 284.04. I'm 36 pennies above that bar. The last bar right there from the breakout, I was up 85 pennies. Right now, I'm up 31 pennies above, 24 pennies above that 284.01, and that's half of my bar, and that's where my support is within that bounce. What we will end up doing, SMF MMTs, if we don't hold half of the bar, when we sell out, we'll sell short. So if you're long 1,000, then you'd sell 2,000 and trigger yourself short when it would meet the criteria. Right now, you want to see it run north of 35 and stay right there and break up in them teeny action. Look at that right there. Here, let's take a look under the hood down here in the video. I can't fit the whole chart in there, but I can see right here where my Pro Trader bars are. I can see my gauges right here, 3.4 on the IR. I can see this gauge right here at 2 point. I could see 1.61 was my negative low. Right now, my current ratio is minus 7.8. If this goes in my direction, I'm going to make even bigger breakouts and price stability over there. Right now, on my trend ratio high, that was the high of the day, 0.69 in the gauge, and the gauge is working nice. Look at that, baby. This is like driving a Ferrari right here because it makes breakouts. And there's that Ferrari off the line right there holding half of that bar action on that big buy. And I got bigs buy right there at half of the action buy. Apple Computer off the low. What a great trade short. What a great trade long. And for the people that are listening to the videos, please bear with my excitement because I'm so excited for when the MMTs are executing with the platform and making their long trades and their short trades. And it's just a wonderful, wonderful gift to be able to give people this kind of accuracy. And so that's where the excitement comes from. Anyways, we're holding that, and part of it is that we're actually live right here in that trade, and we're holding half that bar. Huge break off bottom. Look at how many teenies I went down. Right here, I was minus 25 teenies, And now I'm only minus 13 teenies. And as a market maker, you're trading that bottom teeny. That's what you guys did. You went long. You were buying negative 25, 70 teenies. That's quite different than buying the stock market print, because that's not what you were trading. You were trading that there, and now it's minus 12. You've almost made 50% of the teenies back from the intraday low right here. And that's the glory about understanding the teeny. It was minus $6.12. Now it's only, and that equals only minus 3.01. And when these go in the right direction, this has got to go lower. So you bought the negative teenies. You bought minus 1.61 ratio low in the system. And that's where that amount of teenies was. And now you're long, and you've got $3 move off the bottom. Folks, that's using the SMF platform. And it's not a public platform. It's not a retail platform. Yeah, it's got barrels on it, but who cares? What we care about is this right here, is how that price action came right up to that teeny bar where there was a problem. And I'm going to blow up. What I am going to do is I'm going to blow up that price action, okay, and I'm going to take the brain out for a moment. And they know that they will sell up into it. If you don't hold half of that bar, then, and you break below, it becomes a short again. But that was the move off the bottom. Clean move. Intraday range has got to go. That intraday range over here, you can see it in the gauge. That gauge has got to tick that way. Yeah. So that's the RPM of the move.